time, in a faraway land, lived a baker. He was the most famous baker in the world. He bakes for Belle, Snow White, Red Riding Hood, Cinderella, Princess Jasmine, and the list goes on. In return, they sent him a special egg. However, this was no ordinary egg. It was a special surprise egg. Sometimes he may come across naughty people trying to stop him from baking his delicious food. Shall we take a look inside to see what adventure Parker will have today?
Look at me.
Parker, we have guests!
Parker.
Boys and girls, I wonder who we will be receiving a letter from today.
Pass me the letter, can you? Oh, it's from Belle.
What does she want, Parker?
We need to wake her elevator. Let me get my bottle be broke.
Let's find the recipe, guys. Recipe for lemon tart. Let's give it to Parker.
Oh no, I missed an ingredient.
Uh-oh.
We need to whistle the farm to get it.
Be careful out there, Parker.
Hi, Mr. Farmer. I would like 1 balloon, please.
1 lemon coming up.
Thank you. How much?
That'll be £2, please.
Here you go. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day. See you next time, boy.
Come on, Ginger. Let's go make it. Put lemon in. Add the flour. Some sugar. Rock to add. Now let's mix it. Let me get my spoon.
Ooh, it looks like it's ready to bake, Parker.
Okay, Ginger. Put it in the oven.
Okay, Parker, put the timer on. Yum, yum, yum,
Yum,
yum.
yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Lemon tart's ready. Fry it to Belle. But open the way.
Ooh, the lemon tart has arrived. Mummy, let's try some. Mrs. Potts, there's enough for everyone to share. Wow, delicious. Let's send an egg back to Parker.
Need to tidy up a mess. I live right today. Need to put the bubble hats and put the bows away. I need to dust and mop the floors and make this with clean. I need to get all dirty off and make you sparkly clean. And I'm gonna done. The hot balloon's back.
I'm excited.
Yes, it's a surprise egg. Woohoo! Let's go open it, Ginger. Wow, we got Barbie princess car. Let's open it, guys.
Hey! Come on, Parker. Rip that box open.
Yeah, let's pull it out. What's this?
It's a remote so you can drive the car, Parker.
Let's drive it. No, so what's missing?
Yes, Parker. We need a passenger.
I know. Let's get Barbie. We got Barbie's friend. Let's go pick them in. You're squeezing that, Barbie. Let's go to boat and drive it.
Hey!
Let's go faster.
This toy is totally awesome, Parker. Our bakery is shut now, Parker.